What is paragliding? It's a question that has sparked curiosity in the minds of many thrill seekers. Imagine the rush of running off a slope, with nothing but a free parachute to carry you through the skies. Paragliding, born in the early 1980s among those who craved the exhilaration of aerial sports, has become a captivating adventure for countless enthusiasts. But what makes paragliding stand out from other extreme sports? Let's dive into the world of paragliding and uncover the secrets of this vibrant and heart-pounding activity. Picture this. You stand on the edge of a breathtaking mountain, your heart pounding with anticipation. The wind whispers in your ears as you prepare to launch into the vast expanse of the sky. And then, with a running start, you're off. Your parachute, or paraglider, unfurls above you, and you're soaring like a bird. But what makes paragliding so accessible and appealing to adventurers around the world? One of the unique aspects of paragliding is its accessibility. Unlike many extreme sports that demand special tracks or complicated takeoffs, paragliding is remarkably straightforward. All you need is a suitable hill or slope, a paraglider, and some basic training. It's as simple as that. This simplicity has opened the doors to a wide range of people who want to experience the thrill of flight without the complexities of traditional aviation. But it's not just about accessibility. It's also about the sheer freedom that paragliding offers. Imagine being suspended in the air, completely at one with the elements. The sensation of gliding silently above the world is unparalleled. You become part of the wind, soaring effortlessly as you take in the breathtaking landscapes below. It's a feeling of pure freedom that's hard to find elsewhere. Paragliding isn't just about adrenaline-pumping flights. It's also a sport that fosters a strong sense of community. Enthusiasts from all walks of life come together to share their experiences, tips, and adventures. It's a world where you can connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for the skies. From local clubs to international events, the paragliding community is as diverse as the landscapes they explore. Now, let's talk about the thrill factor. Paragliding offers a unique blend of excitement and serenity. The moment you take off, your heart races, and your senses are on high alert. But as you settle into the flight, a sense of calm washes over you. You're in control, gliding gracefully through the air. It's the perfect balance of adrenaline and tranquility, making each flight an unforgettable experience. Speaking of experiences, paragliding can take you to some of the most awe-inspiring places on Earth. From soaring over lush valleys and pristine lakes to skimming the tops of rugged mountains, paragliding lets you explore the world from a perspective few ever get to see. It's a journey that unlocks the hidden beauty of our planet, one flight at a time. But wait, there's more to paragliding than just leisurely flights. Competitive paragliding is a thrilling subculture within the sport. Pilots compete in races and events, showcasing their skills and agility in the air. It's a world of strategy, precision, and speed, where pilots push the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. So, whether you're a thrill seeker craving adventure, a nature lover yearning for a unique perspective, or a competitive spirit looking for a new challenge, paragliding has something to offer. It's a sport that embraces diversity and welcomes all who are willing to spread their wings. But before you embark on your paragliding journey, remember that safety is paramount. Proper training and equipment are essential to ensure your adventures are both exhilarating and secure. Always fly with an experienced instructor, and make sure your gear is in top condition. In conclusion, paragliding is more than just a sport. It's a lifestyle that celebrates freedom, adventure, and the beauty of our planet from above. So, are you ready to take the leap and experience the world of paragliding? Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and adventures in the world of paragliding. Join us as we explore the skies and make memories that will last a lifetime. Until then, keep soaring and living life to the fullest.